days, but not all the old days. Only the good old days. It's a new...
Griff, hit me with a Yahoo.
Yeah, I got one. It's by Yahoo Answers user Ruby Hart McKinley, who asks, what are some good warrior cat names?
Warrior cat names.
Now, let me read you some of the answers. The answer was provided by Josie J. Feather Mulcahy,
Hey, there's your first name. Name one. Done.
who says, I love creating warrior names, smiley face. Here's some for black cats.
Yes!
Nightshade, Night River, Nightfall, Nightfire, Night Hunter, Shadowskin, Shadowlady, Shadow Rose, Shadow Child, Shadow Bird, Shadow Storm, Night Storm, Nightbird, Fallen Shadow, Nightwing.
Oh, Jesus!
Here's some for white cats: Lily Pad, Lily Heart, Lily Moon, White Shadow, White Claw, White Knight, White Moon, White Rose, White Leap, White Thorn, Snowfall, Icewind, Frostbite, Frostpool, Snow Song. Here's some for brown cats: Thorn Prick, Cobra Strike, Snake Skin, Viper Fang, Adder Snap, Bramble Song, Bramble Prick, Briar Song, Thornwing, Fallen Snake, Snake Bite.
What about calicos? You got a calico? Hodgepodge, black and white and orange.
Silly buddy.
Mixed up.
Oh,